Hi, I am Abhishek Tyag from Matlab Helper. Today video is about Boomerang and I believe everyone must have heard of this term. We will learn to create Boomerang using Matlab code. We will be recording a video using a webcam and process out a new video with the Boomerang filter. Then recorded video is written in the processed video and then the reverse of the recorded video is written. So let's get started. Start by testing our code. Before moving forward, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now and support us, as from our channel statistics, we found that only 6% of the viewers are subscribing. That worked perfectly. Now let me help you to break down the code. In the first two lines, we are clearing the workspace and command window. Then we are using imaqreset to disconnect and delete all the image acquisition objects. In the next line, construct a video input object. Next, we are setting the number of frames to acquire for each trigger. In the following line, we are using return color space property, which specifies the color space we want the toolbox to use when it returns image data to the MATLAB workspace. Distance between the consecutive frame is set to be 1. Using start initiate video input object to start running. In the next line, construct the video writer object to write video data to an AVI file that uses motion, JPEG compression and create an .avi file. Then use open for writing video data. Enter for loop where frames are captured, converted into movie frames and added into .avi file. This goes on until the required number of frames are captured. Close the .avi file and stop the video input object. At this point, we are done with the recording part and next begin the content creation process. In starting, we are creating a multimedia reader object to store data from our recorded video. In the next line, read frames and store them into the VID1. Now we are reversing the frame and storing them in VID2. Time for frame arrangement by using cat function for concatenating arrays and store the concatenated array in VID3. Again, create a video writer object with the video name Boomerang. Next, open the file for writing video data and write the frame into object 2. Close the file after writing. And this line shows the resultant video. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing!